Hey guys, what is going on? Taqi here, and in today's video I want to show you how easy it is to create 4 to 5,000 a month business by creating this simple looking WordPress sites that you can see here. So now this is the one of the site that we've created for our client, and what they're trying to do is they're trying to target this keyword laser spine surgery, rank it on Google for um, in Atlanta. So as you can see, this is a long tail keyword, and ranking for this kind of keywords, it's going to be pretty simple. You could outsource it or you could do it yourself if you know even a little bit about search engine optimization. So now what I want to show you is this. So let's say we create this site, simple looking WordPress site. You don't need any technical experience or anything like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the potential you have and how you're going to make money with this simple site. So as you can see, this keywords get a lot of searches, around 5,000 a month. Now if you check advertisers history, you can see that advertisers are they have huge budget. As you can see, I don't have a paid account of SpyFu, so that's the reason this result is not showing up. But you can get the idea here. This advertiser, for example, NorthAmericanSpine.com, they are paying close to 50K a month just on advertising. So now let's imagine what we can do here is we can go check exactly what their ads are and the keywords that they are targeting. Everything can be done using the free tool. You don't need a paid tool for it now. So you can see their exact copy, the keywords that they are targeting. Just for an example, guys, laser spine surgery, Houston, Texas. So they are paying up to, cost per click is $18. So let's say they're paying $20, and if they get 100 clicks, that's like $2,000. Now let's imagine that you're ranking for this long tail keyword. I'm pretty sure there will not be any competition for a keyword like this. Now imagine you're ranking for this and you're reaching them out saying that hey, I see you are advertising for this keyword and we are ranking #1. Would you be interested to rent out this site from us? Now just give it a thought. If you are advertising, why wouldn't you be interested in renting out a site that is ranking on #1, and then you go ahead and rent out your sites to them, something like this. And then what's going to happen in coming videos, I'm going to show you how you can the software and everything you can use to automate the rental process. So that's how simple it is, guys. If you are short of if you need keywords, you can I have a list of, I've added the link in the description. If you go to this link, you can see all the high-paying SEO niches list here, which you can use to create a similar site like this. So in coming videos, I'm going to show you how you can create this sites, simple WordPress sites, and how you can rank it on WordPress, and how you can find. I've showed you one of the easiest way right now to pull up unlimited prospects, unlimited leads, that they will be ready to rent out your site for let's say $400 to $500 a month. That's minimum. Now imagine if you have 5 sites. So the possibilities are endless here. And if you want to learn more, check out the link in the description where I have a live webinar where I've explained this exact process step by step and how you can do it starting today. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much. See you soon.